Hey everyone, so welcome to this video podcast on the various content marketing tools in the market today. So what we're going to do very quickly is to run you through the main ones, identify the ones which are identify the unique features in some of these tools, identify the advanced features in these tools, and actually help you to decide which one of these tools you should go for. First of all, the need for a content curation tool. Now, so you would have come across the word information overload, and that applies completely to the content that you're sharing on social media because you just don't know what content to share. And that's where content curation tools help you. They are like the filters, so you can customize these filters based on what your brand is really about and what works for you. And the content curation tool is supposed to help you in making that. So what the most basic feature of a content curation tool is that it helps you to identify the most relevant content which you can share on your social media. And you can do this by identifying, by giving some categories to the tool, or you can give some keywords based on which it will scan for the best content, rather than best, the most relevant content for you, which you can then share on your social feeds. To understand how this works, let's watch this video.
Meet Amanda, a content marketer at Scion Innovations. Amanda's vision is to engage with her audience by creating content such as ebooks, blog posts, infographics, and videos, building awareness and trust with them. So when they are ready to make a purchase, they turn to Scion. But Amanda faces many challenges to achieve this vision: producing enough quality content on a consistent basis, managing multiple content contributors, and using editorial calendars that don't scale, all while using multiple systems to try and piece together data to demonstrate that her content made a difference to her organization. These content marketing challenges make Amanda feel like she's simultaneously conducting an orchestra and putting on a Broadway show.
Another basic feature of a content curation tool is that you can just simply give the RSS feeds of say 10 websites that are authorities in your field, or it could be websites, it could be Twitter feeds, it could be YouTube channels, whatever. You can give the RSS fields of these sources to the tool, and the content curation tool actually uh, gets the latest content from these tools into your dashboard. Let's see how this works. So I'm in my Flipboard dashboard, and the way this works is that you can simply you can see that I'm following Neil Patel or SEM Rush blog. So these are RSS feeds that you put, and automatically the latest content from these websites starts getting into your dashboard, and the ones that you like, you can then start featuring on your social media. So this is how the this is also one of the key features in the tools. Now, there are quite a few free tools, and what you're seeing right now are tools which are completely free, but they may not have advanced features. But if you want to just get a taste of what a content curation tool can do, you can just try these. Then there are tools like BuzzSumo and App Content and Social Animals, which give you a free trial, right? So again, if you want to, so these are all advanced, these are tools with advanced features. So if you want to get a taste of what it entails, you can actually go in for a free trial. These are tools which charge which are under $50 a month, and these are tools with more than $50 a month, right? So you can see BuzzSumo and HREF. These are the ones which are more than $50 a month and will obviously have more advanced features than these ones which are less than $50 a month. So when you say advanced features, let's look at what kind of advanced features are there. So for example, in Social Animal, it actually gives you a full analysis of a year's worth of content for any given keyword. So it will tell you historically how has a certain keyword like content marketing or Indian or say or a political leader, it will any kind of keyword. It will tell you historically how has that keyword done on titles and on news articles. Let's see how that works.
No one says content marketing is easy, But that doesn't mean it has to be an uphill battle. And hey, it can be fun too. Welcome to Social Animal, your content marketing research companion. With advanced search capabilities, you can get exactly the kind of content you are looking for. The Insights feature not only shows you historical performance data, it also shows you practically useful information, like which title lengths and article word counts have the best performance track record.
Examples of other features would be in Feedly, which gives you, which has a popularity count, which shows how popular the post is on Feedly and other social networks. So what happens is Feedly by itself is like a social platform, and people are sharing stuff there. So it can get data from there. And also from other social networks, it can tell you how popular is a certain article. Then there are tools like Curata, which actually have come up with their own customized metrics like the relevance score, which tells you how relevant the article is to you, because it's not just about how popular it is on other platforms. The tool has to also understand how well it will do in your context with respect to the kind of followers that you have, right? And this is the that's a tough call, and that's what the tools like Curata help to do by having their own relevance score. Or tools like Publish This, where it has the ability to add any source and group them into bundles that can be accessed from anywhere in the platform. So these are some of the advanced features. Let's look at some features which are very unique to tools. One of the unique features, and if this is your use case, then you should look at tools like BuzzSumo, which helps you to find influencers by the type of content that they are typically interested in. Right. So what it does, it has categorized influencers. It is based on saying that these kind of influencers typically post this kind of content, or they comment on this kind of content, and hence there is a good chance that if you are interested in this content, then you should target these kind of influencers. Let's see how this works.
When you're looking for a certain audience, the tools available to regular people are just not going to be any good for you. You, the marketer, need something special because your needs are specialized. Introducing Tweeple Search, a powerful new way to get to exactly the kind of target audience you're looking for. Profiles are sorted by number of followers, so you can see the most influential users first. Advanced filters let you narrow down results to just the way you want. There is also a mode to find users based on the keywords in content they've shared.
Start. Or HREF, which has this unique content exploring feature where you can find the top content based on the probable number of backlinks that content can get. Let's watch this video to see how that works.
First, we'll go to Site Explorer and enter in a domain or URL that you want to analyze. So I'll use the domain contentmarketinginstitute.com for our example. Here you'll see a top-level view of the website you're analyzing, and since we're just focusing on backlink analysis and link building throughout this series, we're just going to talk about these two metrics here: backlinks and referring domains. You can see that Content Marketing Institute has almost 2 million backlinks with almost 23,000 referring domains. But you might have noticed that right below, there's mention of recent and historical. These three numbers represent our three backlink indexes. The live index contains all links that were live on our last recrawl, which tells you that they're almost certainly live right now. Our recent index contains all live links plus lost backlinks that were removed within the past 90 days or so. So this could mean anything from the website having temporary downtime when we last crawled it, or the website no longer existing at all. Finally is the historical index, and these contain the history of all links, dead or alive. And this is the reason why each link index is bigger than the next. If we scroll down a bit, then you'll see a few interactive graphs that show you the dynamics of link acquisition over time, both for the number of referring domains and referring pages. And there are a few filters you can use here too. By default, you'll see the growth over the last year, but you can narrow this down to the last 30 days or look at an all-time view to see how each website has done over time.
So that's it, guys, from our side, and stay in touch for more tool comparison videos. Thank you.